wanted to emphasize on many technologies. The main technology is CNC Keystone Piston Ring Grinding Machine, which is developed by in CMTI. The product design and engineering group at CMTI is a part of Center for Special Purpose Machines. The core activity of product design and engineering group is developing the designs for advanced technology products and unique solutions for challenging applications. Over the last 5 decades, our design department has been actively involved in delivering its services to various sectors such as machine tool, space, process, textile, aerospace, auto components, shipbuilding, medical, etc. I take this an opportunity to present you one of the technologies developed by CMTI, that's called GKPR, that is the Keystone Piston Ring Grinding Machine. It's a special purpose CNC machine for face grinding the flanks of keystone piston rings with trapezoidal cross section and used in automobile engines. The main features of the GKPR are the piston ring to be ground is clamped in an electromagnetic chuck and centered on a tapered ring which provides the necessary radial preload. The workhead is mounted on the infeed slide and fed into the grinding wheel for material removal. The workhead can be tilted to any angle to suit the tapered flanks on the piston rings. The grinding is performed by moving the wheel head along the perpendicular axis across the face of the piston ring. The infeed, wheel head table and dressing are controlled through CNC. The machine is also provided with an auto loading and unloading facility. This product is successfully proven in field services. I would like to emphasize that PDE group, that is design group, has played a significant role in developing technology driven products over 5 decades and will continue to develop many more products or technologies which are unique and challenging in nature. Thank you all.